कभी कभी लगता है कि आपण भगवान है.
Hi you guys, hope you all are doing amazingly well. Welcome to my channel Nails with Prachi. I'm Prachi and thank you for clicking on this video and selecting to watch it. Today I'm making this video with a few really special people of my life. These guys are my best friends and we played this game called Who's Most Likely To, and I had to edit a lot in this video, let's just say that. But that's what happens when you spend time with your best friends. Hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did. If you guys like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I hope you guys are subscribed already. If you're not, go subscribe, press the bell icon below so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Now here's on to the video.
Hi guys, so today we're playing this very interesting game called Who's Most Likely To. These three stupid people are my best friends. This is Tanushree, this is Omkar, and this is this is Rohan. So today we're going to, I have prepared a few questions. Later on you guys can add your questions too. There are questions and we have to pick up our placards and show the name of the people who we think are most likely to do those things. So should we start with the game? We all know that there are going to be some answers that I know we all are going to be raising the same name, for sure, including the person himself or herself. That's the clue. So should we start?
Get set, go.
So the first question is, who's most likely to do weird things in public? So we'll count till 3, and once we reach to 3, we'll show the name. Okay? Are you guys ready? 1,
Sure.
2, 3. The second question is, who is most likely to get a tattoo on their face? 3, 2, 1, go. Are you guys ready? Why would Tanushree get a tattoo on her face?
Exactly.
Actually option सब गलत है, कोई नहीं करता actually.
I'll tell you. We already have beard and we don't have space on our faces.
Okay.
And amongst you
So
two,
much space. Hello.
bigger.
I can see your foreheads.
Yeah, I mean, the third question is very interesting. Okay, we might have to think a little about it. Who's more likely to have the hottest or the cutest, like the most attractive girlfriend or boyfriend? Tell me when you guys are ready. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Who's more likely to remember anything and everything anywhere and everywhere? Basically, who's more
It
likely?
depends.
Basically, who's more likely to remember anything, like the minutest details? This doesn't have any query. This is very, very clear. Please.
नहीं खुद की तारीफ नहीं करते.
Oh, please. Okay, ready?
Can I have 2 answers?
Yeah, you can
Actually
have
2
2 answers.
answers.
You can have 2 answers.
बरोबर. देऊ काय?
3, 2, 1. I'm so glad that you said me. I mean, I have a pretty bad memory.
No, but I completely disagree with Omkar remembering minute details, because today itself we were talking about something and he's like, I don't remember this.
I mean,
अबे तो it depends ना.
No, see,
What you are
that
remembering.
mentioned
without any depend.
anything and everything.
So I keep everything in mind.
Oh, that is
When
not
is
it.
Radhika's birthday? When is Tanushree birthday? Okay, let's go with this. When is Tanushree birthday?
हे काय आहे?
How do you not know Tanushree?
मला डेट्स लक्षात राहत नाहीत.
Then we
तुझी
are not
राहते
qualified.
ते पण
Omkar, we'll have a talk about this later, okay?
Oh, shots fired.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, somehow he's always reminded by someone else to call me on 12 o'clock. So I think that is why he
वही
remembers.
रहते, प्राची रहती.
I remind these guys for everyone's birthday. Who's most likely to eat a raw egg? Okay. Now,
What?
who's most likely to eat a raw egg? I'm going to say either Rohan or Omkar. I know. Either or.
Rohan
कच्चा
would
अंडा
put a
खाने
raw
में
egg
क्या
in his hair and Omkar would eat it. That is what I think.
है? मैं दोनों करता हूँ.
You already
मिलकर
eat a raw
के
egg?
इंस्पायर्ड लोग हैं. हाँ तो कितने बार?
Wow. This question is also pretty obvious. Who is most likely to be late at their own wedding?
नाही मी हल्ली वेळेवरती ट्राय करतोय सो मी माझं नाव तर मुळीच देणार नाही.
3, 2, 1. Tanushree is not that late. Like she's
अरे
very
मेकअप
late.
करत बसेल
She's
ती.
always early sometimes. Right.
मेकअप करत बसेल.
Still, I start my makeup so early that I finish it before time.
अरे
Who's most likely to be unable to keep a secret for longer than 30 minutes? 3,
मी
wait, no,
ओरडू शकतो.
1. 3, 2, 1.
हे दोघं ऍक्च्युली.
Omkar, you will get into big trouble if you take my name.
नाही हे पण आहे दोघी आहे.
Oh, really?
No, but
म्हणजे
see, the
secret
thing
आहे ना.
Really?
I don't
बरोबर
tell
आहे.
everyone's secrets, okay? Depends.
ये हो
People
गया
will be
झूठ.
close.
अब सच बता.
Omkar can't say that I can't keep secret. म्हणजे actually technically thinking it's right because I tell you everything.
अरे हाँ मग considering that is मैं
Yeah.
बोलतो है. I'm not saying कि you go and tell everyone my things.
I go
Yeah,
and
but
tell you
that
you
is
tell
everyone's thing.
everyone.
also hello.
हे टांग तुझी.
Haila, that is so unfair.
Yeah.
I don't go and tell everyone everything about everyone.
Who's most likely to have the most children? Most kids.
Most children. एक मिनिट एक डाऊट आहे.
Hmm.
तुम्ही पपीजला पण किड म्हणून कन्सिडर करता का?
Nine. Human kids. Who's most likely to have the most number of human kids? 3, 2, 1. Why are we so split? I think Rohan majority. Rohan wins.
So this wins.
Yeah. Who's most likely to color their hair? I think all questions are going to the same person. 3,
अरे
2,
राव.
1. What color would you color your hair?
Blue.
पिंक.
Really? Maroon.
काय करायचं बाई? आवडेल तो ठेवायचा.
Okay. Who's
अरे
most
प्राची नुसतं रोहनचंच नाव 4 वेळा लिहिलं असतं यार.
who's most creative?
अच्छा
इन ओनली आर्ट्स अँड क्राफ्ट की जस्ट
In
क्रिएटिव्ह
life.
इन लाईफ?
In life?
नाही नाही
Who's the
हे
most
दोघांची
creative?
उत्तरं वेगळी वेगळी असू शकतात.
Who's most creative in life? Okay, let's
हा
expand
बरं.
it.
माय आन्सर इज रेडी.
Mine too. 3, 2, 1. It's Tanushree. Thanks, Rohan.
bro,
रोहन
you are
काय
a
बोललेला?
Prachi.
you are a YouTube, you are a content
so is-
creator.
But so is your
You
brother.
are more.
Wait a minute.
Who's most likely to stay the longest in the bathroom?
I know this.
Yeah. 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Music.
Who's most likely to build a house next to a beach?
A beach.
Hmm.
Basically, who likes beaches? That person, na?
Yeah.
I mean, who?
3, 2, 1. Yeah, we'll
You
say the
said
house.
this because of the Hawaii thing, right?
What Hawaii? Okay, who?
No, not you, not
You
you.
want a house in Hawaii?
No, there's some random quiz we were playing, and there was something
Okay.
Hawaii.
Oh. Who's most
अरे
likely?
हनीमून डेस्टिनेशन होतं भावट.
I was not mentioning this on purpose. You are
You are-
supposed to understand this.
फक्त सांगून द्यायचं होतं की कोण जास्त बारकाईने डिटेल्स लक्षात ठेवतं.
Who's most likely to move to another country, like shift to another country?
बस क्या भाई.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, sorry.
This is not even most likely to. You
No,
probably
I
will.
don't think. I think he's a very family-bound guy, so he won't leave his parents.
Who's most likely to skip a meal because they were playing a video game?
What is this question? I am not liking this.
2, 1. Someone will give you your lunch and you will be like, इसमें scope कितना है? 4x या 8x. So,
I don't like people who skip meals. I mean, food is a very important part of your life.
Meals. We win meals by getting chicken dinner.
who is most likely to spend hours on the phone, like on the call? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I'm like Tanushree, but Tanushree is talking to me. So, both of us.
Yeah, I mean, it's Prachi, but she's talking to me. So, yeah.
It's Tanushree.
एक आणि दोन.
Yeah, I was about to say Tanushree with Prachi, not Tanushree and Prachi.
So, for more calling vlogs, I think we should remove a channel called
Oh,
Tanushree with
no.
Prachi.
No, we can't vlog what we talk about.
Who is most likely to get into a relationship
When now?
in a short span
Like
of
the
time?
recent one, like now?
In future.
You want to say the first one, na?
Huh.
The first one.
Definitely. Where is his name, huh?
This, I think everyone else is going to pick some other name. 1, 2, 3.
अरे घंटा दे.
He got trolled on his own question.
Why we think so? Because
You
you have
don't know me
options,
then.
okay?
Yeah, because he has a lot of options. Who amongst us till date has had the most number of people crushing on them? 3, 2, 1.
अरे
Okay,
थांब
wait,
सोड.
so I have three answers to this.
No, you
One,
can have 3 answers. No.
2, and then this is the third one. I think all of them have equal numbers.
No.
Actually, yeah. If I have to like account from back to school, then
In life. Okay, let's
Ah,
flip it
more
ulta. This was one question. Second question, who amongst us has had the most crushes?
एक
this
घंटा.
is definitely.
ये
This is
इसे फर्स्ट.
definitely. Definitely. There is no option to this.
I like how at least you're honest and you're taking your own name.
Okay, I have a question.
Huh.
Who is most likely to be a favorite of their friends' parents?
This question was designed keeping one person in their head. 1, 2, 3. Do not make your parents meet this guy. Okay, your parents will adopt him
I'm
and
already
recruit him.
regretting, okay? I've just mentioned about him and there's a lot of...
Buzz. do not let anyone watching this, if ever you guys become friends with him, don't
I
take your parents
already
with him.
have a lot of people who's like more important than me in this house. So yeah, I don't want one more.
My goal is to be one of them. Okay.
You are hello. You
Okay,
come to
I'm
my
happy.
house. You eat mastapeki pani puri vagare, and I'm here next day going to Pune.
Her mom is like, अरे तनुश्री जा ना पुऱ्या आणि यांच्यासाठी.
You guys made plans of eating fish curry after I go to Pune. Do you understand?
अरे bro, please shift the symbols again. Who's most likely to fart in public?
मला तुझा आन्सरच दिसत नाही.
No one picked up their answers. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, what?
Listen, this is sorry. This is a very wild guess. I don't know now.
Yeah, of course, no one knows. This is just estimation. Because he's most likely to do the weird things in public. So, he's most likely to do this also in public.
One more question. Who is likely to ditch their friends for their better halves?
None of us.
Yeah, none of us.
No, I can't guarantee myself. If I have to say, then I can take my guess. Why not?
मैंने तेरा ही नाम उठाया था लेकिन नीचे छोड़ दिया.
No, I actually
No, I
genuinely
can't
didn't pick up
guarantee.
anyone's name. But if you're saying, then
I'll be honest. I can't guarantee.
ऐसा
We're
ही
not-
होता है. फ्रेंडशिप
not-
और रिलेशनशिप का बैलेंस अलग होता है.
basically, none of us, because all
Is
of us
it
are
going
single.
in the video?
So this is the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. And if you want more videos like this, comment below. And I'll see you guys again next week. Bye bye.
Bye boys and girls.
Bye. It's okay.
हरवताने कसे उमळती कशा माझे कसे बंधुती
A few moments later.
आणि बाकी same.
तरी
1 hour later.
विमलाची
हे
चाल
just
पुढं
हो ना.
गड्या भीती कशाची
I know.
तेव्हा
I love that song.
भीती
2 hours later.
खरी तू रा 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 रा.
1 eternity later.
Basically, I started with my YouTube channel damn late. So all the
Yeah,
trends are now over.
start, guys, start.
माझ्या मुद्द्यावर आहे का 40 मिनिटं
Okay.
संपतील आता.
So everyone knows what we're doing today. We're doing
माझे माझे पण. Okay, sorry.